SMAW, shielded metal arc welding, commonly referred to as stick welding, plays a critical role in the fabrication, construction, and maintenance of power plants. Power generation facilities, whether nuclear, thermal, hydroelectric, or combined cycle, rely heavily on welded joints to ensure the integrity and reliability of their infrastructure. In these environments, safety, durability, and compliance with strict codes and standards are non-negotiable. SMAW, known for its simplicity, portability, and ability to perform in various environments, is widely used in these plants, particularly for structural welding, pressure piping, boiler fabrication, and maintenance operations. Its capacity to produce high-strength welds in all positions and in outdoor or constrained environments makes it a preferred method in power plant applications. In power plants, welding is not just about joining metals. It is about ensuring that the components can withstand high pressure, extreme temperatures, corrosion, vibration, and continuous operational stresses. SMAW is particularly suited for such high-stakes applications due to its reliability and versatility. The process uses a flux-coated consumable electrode that, when struck against the workpiece, forms an electric arc. This arc melts both the base metal and the electrode, creating a weld pool. The flux coating provides a shielding gas and slag covering that protect the molten metal from contamination by atmospheric gases like oxygen and nitrogen, which could compromise the weld quality. This is especially important in power plant environments, where weld failure can lead to catastrophic system failure. One of the major areas where SMAW is used in power plants is in pressure piping systems. These systems carry high-temperature steam, water, or gas under high pressure, and the welding must meet stringent standards such as those set by ASME Section 9 and ASME B 31.1 for power piping. SMAW is often used for root passes in pipe welds, particularly with low-hydrogen electrodes like E7018, which help prevent hydrogen-induced cracking, a major concern in high-strength, thick-walled components. The low hydrogen content of these electrodes reduces the risk of delayed cracking and ensures welds retain their strength and toughness, even under fluctuating loads and temperatures. In some applications, E6010 or E6011 electrodes may be used for root welding because of their deep penetration and fast freeze characteristics, especially in vertical and overhead positions.